Good morning, everyone. And Tuesday, I always do what is it, like a skincare product, highlighting it. That way, it will be easy to go back and see what is the purpose of it. But today, I'm going to do two of my favorite products because they both come in the same category. So they both are mask. Here is our detoxing and moisturizing mask, and here is our gold mask. So if you're someone who is already using our cleanser, moisturizers, or also all those kind of things, and think like you need an extra thing that can boost your look, then picking one of these or even both will be really amazing. So I wanted to explain why you need this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the gold mask on this side. That way I can, once before I finish my video, I can show you peeling them, how it works. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So when you do, always make sure you do like a thick layer. So here I'm going to leave it as it is and let it dry. You can see how pretty it looks. So think of it on your face. It's going to be amazing. So let's hear about both of them. Why these both are really good is it is not an everyday thing, so it's more like a twice a week kind of thing based on how much you have time. And they are like a leave on mask. So one is going, you will be a peel off mask with gold, the other one is going to just leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off. So I'm going to talk about few of the things, but I want to talk about five things which I'll be keep referring it to it. So the first one will be, we are talking about 5 different A's. So let's cover that first. The first one is anti-inflammatory, which means it's going to help reduce the redness, it's going to help reduce the swelliness, puffiness, and also it's going to block the substance that is going to cause the inflammatory. So the second one is going to be antioxidants, which is going to help prevent the damage that's caused from the free radicals in the environment, and also it's anti-aging. So the third one is antimicrobial, which is going to help reduce the microorganisms that is going to live in your skin. So that is the third thing. So the fourth one is antibacterial, which is going to rid the substances that's going to cause any diseases or infection in our skin. So the last one is antiseptic, which is going to prevent the growth of bacteria in our skin. So these are the 5 things I'll be talking about when I cover both the masks. So, and the key ingredient here is again our Senaplex complex. If you haven't watched my video on Senaplex complex, go do that. This is our proprietary kinetic enzyme that is going to help faster the cellular renewal, and it's there in both the products. So that is another cool thing. And when you talk about these products, read about it, you will see it talks about increasing the circulation in your face, blood circulation of blood vessels in your face. Because why it is important is that way you are going to bring more oxygen while doing the blood circulation, and that is going to eradicate any what is it, like waste in the cells. That way it is going to help make it a more healthier version of it, and it's going to make the cells more plumpier. Let's first see the detox mask. This is perfect for every skin type, even including acne prone. That's why it's a very gentle mask. So we do talk about resurface a lot of time, but I know if you have acne or if you have pimples, it's really hard to work on that. So what this is going to do is it's going to exfoliate, but very gently. So it's really good even for a sensitive skin person. So this is like still a exfoliator, but very gentle exfoliator. If you see the ingredients, it has green tea extract in it. We all know green tea extract is green tea is one we drink to improve our what is it, like a detox. It improves your body's metabolism and all. The same way the green tea extract here is going to remove any toxins, but in a very gentle way. So the A's we talked about, it's all in green tea extract, the antibacterial, antimicrobial, antioxidant. So everything is there in along with green tea extract, and it is also helps with redness. So if you're someone who has redness going on, then this will help to control it, and also it is going to bring out all the toxins, but at the same time it's not going to be drying. This is not a mask that's going to dry out out your skin. Instead, it's going to put back the moisture while doing it. So that's why it's called detoxing at the same time moisturizing mask. Also helps for rosacea and also with any sun damage we have done to our skin. So this is such a easy way for you to include in your skin regimen. I would say anytime when you have when you're doing something like reading a book or even cooking or something, you can just apply it all over your face and do, because it's not going to dry and pull your skin off. It's going to dry clear. So that is the cool advantage of it. It's really good for people with oily skin, rosacea, or even teens with acne. So this is going to be a really perfect way for you to include, and it is going to last you so long. I will show you how much you need for your face, and you will be amazed on how much it achieves with such a small amount. It also has arnica flower extract. Again, arnica flower extract is going to help with blood circulation. So it is like multi-level. It is going to help the skin to become better and better, and it is again antiseptic and anti-inflammatory. So that is why it's going to help with the infections of the acne and the if you have what say like swelling and all, it is going to really help with reducing that. So it also going to help with wounds. It's not that we are going to have wounds on your face, but if you are someone who has the acne or pimples, and if you pick that, then obviously it's going to, I admit that, because I know it's really hard not to touch it. But if you're someone who likes it, it's not like who do that though, then this is going to help reduce the scarring or anything. So that way it is going to help heal it faster. So instead of it taking so long for it to heal by itself, this will help make it faster actually to heal. Next key ingredient here is the kaolin clay. I think I have already shared about it in the group too. It is like what is it, like an ingredient that is going to pull out all the junks out of the layers. So that is the important thing that is going to detox your skin. At the same time, it will do very gently. So that is the ingredient I have already shared. If you haven't read about it, go and read, or you can even Google it. Even controls oils and also purifies and detoxes the pores. So for oily and oily skin, or even the oily to acne skin, if you see the moment the pores are getting clogged, that's when you are going to start having more breakouts. So by cleaning that often, you will start seeing the reducing of your acne. So I am one who had severe acne, and now with mask I know many of you break out because of that, because so far we have never had anything that touches your face, and now you constantly wash your mask with the detergent and harmful things. So when you wear it again, you are going to start breaking out. So make sure you add things like this to improve it, because we cannot avoid these masks, wearing mask going out with COVID, but at least having these kind of mask is going to help you do that in a nice way. It also helps with any bug bites, poison ivy, or any mosquito bite or something. I have never tried it so far, because we don't have poison ivy much, or I haven't experienced, because I'm not like a camper or anything. So if you are someone who stays outdoor during summer months and get these kind of things, then this is a nice thing to have in hand. So we talked about Senaplex complex a lot. So here you see how it's going to help. We said arnica flower is going to help healing the wounds. What Senaplex complex does is, usually when as we age, our cellular turnover slows down. So that's why we don't get newer cells. So we say when the kids get a wound or something, it heals faster because their cellular turnover is faster. But as we age, it slows down. But with Senaplex complex, it's going to help boost the cells to have it plumpier till it reaches top, because still we get plumpier cells, but as they try to reach the top layer of the skin, they slow down and they are dead by the time they reach on the top. Instead, it's going to help having that plumpier cell. That's why when they both together going to work, that's when your wounds are going to get healed faster. So if you see the science behind it, it's really nice. So understand the product better, and then pick it and use use it wisely. Let me show you the product. So this is how it looks. You can see it's nice and thick and creamy. So when you use it, let me show mine. You can use an applicator like this, or you can just use your fingers. You don't need any fancy things. This is mine. I will show the amount you need. This is how much you will use for your entire face. So you can see how much it's left. This itself is more. So I'm going to just show you how I do. I'm going to just take a small bit of amount and I'm just going to apply it here. I don't even like to waste, so I'm going to take half of it, and while you apply using your fingers, you are just going to rub it against your skin. And previously I used to just leave it, I used to apply it and leave it to dry it clear, but here we talked about circulation. So how are you going to achieve it? So once you apply, what you do is you are going to massage it to your skin. So that's how we are going to improve the circulation. So this is not going to be immediately get absorbed, but as it dries it's going to. So when you apply to your face, start using it like a massaging motion throughout your face. You can use it all over your neck and also your face. Since I was doing 2 masks, I didn't do on my face today, but I have videos where I have already done it. So once you apply a thin layer, make sure you massage it really well for like nice 2 minutes. So you are going to improve the circulations by doing that. And as I showed, you are going to use very sparingly. You don't need a lot of products. When it comes to Senegens, always make sure you do dime size to pea size for others, but since it's the mask, you're going to use it little more, but this tub will last you so long because you're going to use only twice a week. So it's perfect for teens or perfect for women who has breakouts. It's a perfect gift for anybody in general, like whether it's your husband, your kids, or anybody, because as you see, it's going to dry out clear after 20 minutes. So you don't when you wash it, you are going to wash it with warm water and also going to use cleanser to clean it out. It's not just washing it out. You remove it with the cleanser and then apply any moisturizer. If you're doing it in the morning, apply the daytime moisturizer. If you're using the nighttime, then do the nighttime moisturizer. But using this is going to help your skincare so much with a very little amount of time and effort, because including things like this is going to not only take out the impurities and also making sure to put a lot of moisture at the same time. Because if you are using a mask that is keep drying it out, your skin is going to need it's going to be rough and it starts showing wrinkles and all. But when you have more moisture, that's when your skin is going to look really plumpier and soft and supple. So it has like a clear cucumber kind of smell. Most of Senegens ones are from the ingredient itself, it's like more of a vitamin E kind of moisturizing one. As you keep seeing, it's going to keep drying it out clear. You won't even feel. That's why I'm saying it is perfect for your self-care day, any day, like weekends. I always don't miss out of either one of these, because it's such a easy one. Even if I'm folding clothes, if I'm talking to my family, watching a movie or something, this will just dry out clear. Like I can go back and wash the face anytime when I'm done or when I'm ready. It is not that I have to do it like at the exact 20 minutes, otherwise my skin is going to be pulled. And it has like a moisturized feel because of the clay here, but it is not sticky or oily. It is nice and clean actually. If you are pregnant and if you're breaking out, or if you're have a teen that constantly breaks out and all, get this as a Christmas gift or anytime gift, because this is going to be like they will have it for almost 8 months or more, because you are just going to use twice a week or something. So it's going to last so long, a gift that can enjoy and cherish, and they will see an improvement in their skin in that period of time. So that's the cool thing about our detox mask. So let's move to our gold mask. So for the gold mask, I want you to apply like a medium to thick layer. That's when you will be able to peel it off, because this is a peel off mask. Whereas that one is a clear mask, so it's going to dry out clear and you're just going to wash out. Here you need to peel it, so you need to make it a little thicker, otherwise it's going to break whenever you do. So make sure you do it, you should not see your skin, so that's the aim here. So once you use 1 or 2 times, you will understand what is the correct amount, and you will be able to apply it all over with our spatula. That way you can let it dry. Here mine is still not dry. You will be able to see once it's dry, you will just be able to peel it at once. And here the benefits are so much. It's made with 24 karat gold, and who doesn't want a 24 karat gold on their face? So it's going to soften, brighten and tightens your skin. So it's like a multi-level skincare routine in one go. Also moisturizes and also going to make your skin radiant. So who doesn't need that? Like I don't have anybody who will say I don't want to look radiant at all. Also going to increase your luminosity and clarity. So as I talked about acne marks and other things, this is going to help to clear out those on the due course. It's not like a one-day thing with any time. Like acne, for me it took me almost a year and a half to clear out all. If you haven't seen my picture, go back and search acne to see how much I had, and I'm still breaking out. Like I mean, my pediatrician, my son's pediatrician always used to say like what is it, like a acne with women is like hormonal stress, and it's always comes back even when our 40s and 50s, because it's something we all go through, and there are so many things that goes through with it. So at least treat it in a better way. So the key ingredient here is the colloidal gold. If you see, it is the fifth ingredient. That means it's one of the main ingredient here, and it's going to help with the fine lines and wrinkles, and also with the skin elasticity. So I have already talked about Sonaplex Complex, how it's going to help with the plumpier cells and having it like a younger looking anti-aging thing. So here that is the key ingredient that's going to help achieve it. I always talk about the grapes, the raisins and the cornflakes. So if you think about the grapes, when it loses the elasticity, that is when it becomes like a raisin, and you will start seeing the wrinkles and fine lines. So that is basically going back and reverting to make it grapes. So it's going to be nice and plump again, like how it used to be. Going to improve your skin tone, and it's also going to help with the circulation. We already talked about how the blood circulation is in turn going to help with improving the oxygen. It also going to help with sun damage. We already talked about it in detox mask too, so here also it's going to do, and it's again anti-inflammatory, and it's help with the anti-inflammation, which is obviously with the acne. So I have even talked about this product when the customer says they have acne. This is one of the nice product to add on, because here again you are not going to work on it. Instead it's going to treat it in a better way by just applying it. It also helps with redness, and it protects from free radicals. So pretty much these products are going to help reducing the damage that's already been done, or the ones that we are doing it with the environment every single time. So the quality of the skin will be gradually improving as you start including these kind of products in your routine. So the one more key ingredient we see here is caffeine. I know many of you might have heard about caffeine as a mask, because it's going to help with and it's going to reduce inflammation and puffiness, and also it's going to tighten the skin, brighten the skin, and also it is also help tighten the skin. So it is like each ingredient or what is it, like researched in so many ways and included in a proper way. So that's why these products will start showing the improvements as you use, because it's each ingredient has its own purpose and it's going to address it specifically. So the caffeine again is going to help with the blood circulation, and there is another trademarked ingredient here which is called Bio Youth Briars, which is nothing but they have derived from brown rice, so that's why they named it in such a way. It has many advantages. The one being it's going to repair the damaged cells, and also it's going to anti-aging, and also it's going to improve the overall skin clarity. So the other one will be the last few are like Phenoplex complex and seaweed extract. So if you want individual ingredient list, it's always available, and I can always share with the purpose of each ingredient along with it. So please go through all these videos. That's the purpose of sharing it with you. So when you have problematic areas, and address those problematic areas with these kind of products, that is really going to help, and also easy to include in your skincare routine. It makes it if you see it on a like a long run, the skin will really improve, and also it's going to have that luminosity. So you can either use an applicator to apply all over your face, as I mentioned, or you can use your fingers too. After 20 minutes you will be able to peel it off. Let me see whether I can take it out. Yeah, do you see how it is easily be able to peel it off? Like, I mean, make sure you do thick layers on your face, because you want all the benefits to go, and also that way it makes it easier. If you are like left with few pieces, you can always use a warm cloth to just wipe it off, but you can see how it peels off, and that way you have a skin that is really radiant and had supple. Such a super cool way to do it along with your kids. If you have a teen, they will really love this mask, because it's going to leave their skin soft and supple. And I always like to do it on my weekends, and if I have something going on, if I'm getting ready for Friday, I'll make sure I do it on Thursday. That way the Friday pictures will be really nice. The same way, if I'm having a party or if I have a get together to go to, I'll make sure to do the gold mask the night before. Perfect for your date nights, or any time when you have some important pictures going on, all those stuff. This will really make your face look brighter the next day. Always have like a girls night. You can have it in Zoom, and both of you can gift it to your friends. Now that it comes in this very nice giftable bag, you can have your headband, your applicator, and it's nicely packed already for gifting. So it will be nice for like girls night, where you can apply and enjoy with your girlfriends. Hope you learned something about our peel off mask and also the detox mask. These two are like your own self-care time things, and it is like long lasting. You will have them minimum 6 months. Even how much ever you use, you will still have 6 months for these to last. So grab it and enjoy it whenever you get time, and have a wonderful day.